The state may call its next witness, please.
Gary Pruitt. Are the TV monitors? It says trying to find the transmitter. Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you shall give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can have a seat. Can you tell me your name?
My name is Gary Pruitt.
Okay, that's okay. And Mr. Pruitt, how are you employed?
I'm employed with Allied Universal Security Services, and I'm assigned to Lockheed Martin in physical security.
Okay, and prior to that role, how were you employed?
I was employed with the City of Somerville Police Department. Prior to that, I was employed with the City of Canton Police Department, and my first department that I worked for was, again, the City of Somerville.
Okay, how long have you been in law enforcement?
I was in law enforcement on and off from November of 2017 until June of 2023.
Okay, and for what period of time were you employed with the City of Canton?
I was employed with the City of Canton from February of 2019 until March of 2021.
Okay, and so I want to draw your attention to December 8th of 2020. What was your role with the department at that time?
On December 8th, 2020, I was assigned to the Uniform Patrol Division, and I was doing things such as enforcing municipal and state laws and ensuring the safety of the public in the City of Canton.
Okay, and on patrol, in that role you were in at that time, how would you receive calls to respond?
I would receive calls from the Cherokee County Communications Dispatch Center over my police car radio.
Okay, and I want to talk to you specifically about a call that came through to respond to 215 Mountain Vista Boulevard. Do you recall that?
I do.
All right, where were you at when you received that call?
I was in my patrol vehicle parked in the back of a cemetery that was located off Scott Mill Road in Canton near Marietta Road.
Okay, and do you recall what time you got that call?
Approximately 2:27 p.m.
2:27 p.m.? Okay. And what was the information that you had when you were responding?
Well, the call came out, it was that a mother had killed her baby with a knife.
Okay. And when that's being transmitted, is it being transmitted to you over radio or?
It was over the radio in my patrol vehicle.
All right. And at that time when you got the call, did you have any appreciation for who was going to arrive at that residence first, or were there other responders involved?
I was the initial dispatched officer. Sergeant Jose Soto also responded to the scene. It could have been whatever officer decided to respond as well, but due to the priority of the call, as many officers that were available would have decided to respond. Sergeant Soto and I arrived on the scene at pretty much the exact same time.
Okay. And how far was that 215 Mountain Vista Boulevard from where you were at?
From the cemetery, I would estimate it was anywhere from about 1.5 miles to 2.5 miles.
Okay. And what do you recall about the timing of your arrival compared to other officers?
I would say very much the same. Sergeant Soto and I were in different parts of the city, and we were both running with our emergency lights and sirens going, and we arrived there pretty much simultaneously, but Sergeant Soto ended up getting inside the residence before I did, but it was only a difference of maybe 35 seconds.
Okay. And were both yourself and Sergeant Soto equipped with body-worn cameras?
Yes.
Okay. Was that part of your agency's policy?
It was.
Okay. Is that something that you have to turn them on, or do they automatically come on?
You have to physically press the button to record with the body cameras as well as stopping the recording.
Okay. And so tell me about your response when you got there. What did you do and how did you proceed?
Well, when I arrived on scene, I had not initially realized that Sergeant Soto had already entered the residence.
Mm-hmm.
I parked my vehicle in front of the house, and I went up the driveway and spoke with a Caucasian elderly male that was later identified to me as, I believe, Gerald Martin, and he was the homeowner.
Okay.
And at the time, I didn't realize that my sergeant had already entered the residence, so I told him to stay outside where my sergeant could see him, and I asked him where the woman was at, referring to Miss Driver, and, he informed me that she was upstairs, that the people at the house were friends of his, and that she and the baby were upstairs, and, shortly after that point, I entered the residence.
Okay. And did you proceed directly upstairs?
Yes, to the best of my recollection, I started out in the downstairs living room. There was a female that was later identified to me as Jessica Caffigan, I believe. She was standing in the living room.
I'm just going to object. He's reading from this report.
Okay. You can reference your report if you need to refresh your recollection, but you can't read from it. So,
Sure.
Sustain the objection.
Okay.
Go ahead.
If you need to look at it to refresh your memory, that's completely fine. Just let us know.
Sure.
So you said you initially encountered the homeowner, Gerald, where was he located?
He was outside the residence in the driveway.
Okay. And then you said you went into the living room and observed someone later identified you as Jessica Caffigan?
Yes, she was standing in the living room, and I believe she was on the phone.
She was on the phone. Do you know who she was on the phone with?
No.
Okay. And what other people did you encounter at that house?
After seeing Jessica, I proceeded up a staircase that led to the second floor, and there was another female, I believe her name was Sarah Stiles, and after I saw her, I told her to go downstairs. I didn't believe that she was the suspect. She didn't have, to my recollection, she didn't have any blood or anything on her. I told her to go downstairs, and that's when I began to proceed toward where the bedroom where the incident had taken place was at.
Okay. And who was located in the bedroom when you got in there?
Sergeant Soto was in there. He had probably only been in there maybe a half a minute at most prior to me getting into the bedroom. It was a man named Jason Spillers who was kind of kneeling over Chloe Driver, who was laying on her back on the floor next to the bed. It was Ben Michael. He was standing over the mattress and had his hands near the neck area of Hannah Driver, an infant who was bleeding profusely and covered in blood, as well as the mattress. So it would have been myself, Sergeant Soto, Jason Spillers, Benjamin, Hannah Driver, and Chloe Driver. So 6 people total at that point.
Okay. And did you have an opportunity to review yours and Sergeant Soto's body cam video from that day?
Oh, yes,
Okay, and do those truly and accurately reflect the scene as you recall it?
they do.
Your Honor, at this time, I would tender states 3 and 4.
No objection.
Admitted.
Your Honor, at this time, I would like to publish the first 7.5 minutes of State's Exhibit 3.
No objection.
Your Honor, I'm pausing at 34 seconds. I just want to make the record clear. I'm publishing Sergeant Soto's body cam video, which is State's Exhibit 3. Resuming at 34 seconds.
She's upstairs?
Upstairs here?
Where you at? Is it her?
No. I don't have anything with you.
Alright, where's the weapon?
I may not have a gun. Please help her, please.
I got you, we're gonna help her, but is she armed?
No, the knife is on the floor beside them.
It's okay.
Further enough away. He's holding the baby.
Alright, where's she at?
She's right here.
Okay, who stabbed her?
She stabbed the baby while the door is locked. She's in one in the house. Who's the suspect? She's
Right there.
She's like,
Go ahead, here you go.
Going for it too. Please, I don't think you should look without the keys. Break your neck.
I got you.
Okay.
Start the charity. Go ahead and send me
And
emails.
it's just better not gonna be.
Did she stab herself?
She's like. Move my hand.
Okay.
Don't move your hand. Don't move your hand.
Just keep pressure on her, okay?
Yeah.
I need gloves. You got gloves?
EMS code.
13 Cherokee.
Oh, dang it. EMS code.
Hey, get a towel.
What?
Hey,
I mean, he's complaining, you can, it's okay.
I need a, hey, tell somebody to get me a towel.
You want to stay put, you stupid.
13 Cherokee. Fire stand 23. Where's the baby hurt at? Where's he hurt at?
She got a little poke in her neck.
Okay.
Little poke in her neck.
Little poke on her neck? Okay.
Don't move her, don't move her.
Hold on. This is the suspect, brother. Go ahead.
Which one? She's the first.
She's the suspect. Well, she slit her throat.
I think.
Yeah. Let's come on.
Go on upstairs, come on. I'm gonna stay near my building, I'll stay.
Yeah.
Get on. Yo, get them out here. Get their information. I have to get pressure on this woman. She's a slit her own throat.
I got, well, we got,
Keep pressure on.
we got, I got a towel. Just get me a towel.
Thank you for the Cherokee. Can you come for me?
Roy, just get there 39, bro. Just get there 39.
Come on.
Take it, yo. Come on, go downstairs. Yo.
AMS, quick now. Come on, quick.
Just relax, man. They got
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
She's out. He's got it. Just relax.
Come on, buddy.
Relax.
Hey.
We got it. They're here. Just,
Come on. Come on. Come on.
she stabbed herself in the neck.
Okay, hold pressure.
Yeah.
Where's the cut on it? Where's the cut on it?
Calm down, bro.
Hold that again.
Yeah. Where's the mother? She's right here.
Where's that?
Two squads.
Where is he? Yes.
He's not home the truck. I can't tell, man.
Here you go.
Pick him up. Sir, back up out the door now.
Get out of the way.
Get out the door now.
Get out of the way.
Get out the door. Get out the door.
Hey. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, her neck area. I don't know exactly where. I'm just trying to. I'm doing a whole lot of stuff. She's breathing. Yeah. They can take the baby, put him in the I already called Hamilton. Hey. Yo, I already called Hamilton. Your Koski, Hamilton already knows they're out. Hamilton already knows they're out. That's the first thing I did, call him.
Hey, how you doing?
That's a knife right there.
Yeah, that's what we did.
Okay.
Hey, listen, we're just gonna hold you. Are you breathing okay? Yeah, sounds like you're breathing fine, okay? Yeah, we're just.
I haven't seen it yet. Okay. Alright. Anything else anywhere?
Hey, listen, let's get that going. Let's get that started. What's this, Mountain Vista?
Yeah, 215 Mount Vista.
Mountain Vista Command Cherokee. What's your last direction under?
I haven't even seen it, man. I'm just trying to hold her and see from the video.
Let me see your hand, dude. Shit, much. Mountain Vista Command Cherokee. How long is she working over there?
I'm not sure. She looks young, 20 something. What? She looks
That's the last round.
I dropped it on the floor. Yeah, that's enough. So just keep it. Just stay there for a second with the knife.
And I'm stopping the video at 7 minutes and 34 seconds. And then I'm going to publish the first 8 minutes and 40 seconds of Officer Pruitt's body cam, which is State's Exhibit number 4.
Cherokee's the caller, the one that 51, the child. It's time to take. Oh, fuck. 10-4. Give me 78 for the suspect.
Wait upstairs with the baby at 215 and Mount Vista Boulevard.
I've got my sirens off. 10-12.
Brother's name is Cruelty Driver. It's going to be light, brown hair, blue eyes, wearing a Hogwarts sweatshirt and rubber band. She was upstairs with the baby. It occurred just before the initial caller called 911.
10-4 show me myself in 313, 1023.
1431. Station's going to be 10-3, 10-33, reference signal 51, 215 Mount Vista Boulevard, and then 1431.
Is it the same child?
Who else is here?
Just step by and pick up some stuff. And you brought the baby and the women. And we're upstairs. And that's where I have my everything.
Okay, stay out here where my sergeant can see you. Who else, how many people's in here? How many people are in here? Who are they to you? Who all's in here? You don't, do you live here?
I live here.
Police department! Police department! Go downstairs. Go downstairs right now.
Okay, who's done? She stopped the baby while the door was locked. She's annoying the house.
Where's the suspect?
She's right there. She snapped. She's like, go ahead and the road from too. Please, I don't think you should move her without the EMTs. I got you.
Sorry for marrying.
Go ahead. They're not going to do it.
Did she stab herself?
She split her.
Where's the?
With my hand.
Don't move your hand.
Don't move your hand.
Don't move your hand.
Keep pressure on her, okay? I need blood. You have little.
EMS code 1.
Sergeant Cherry.
God dang it. EMS code 1. Who else is in this house?
Get it out.
Oh, come on, man. Give me a towel. Somebody give me a towel. Police department. Just give me as many as you can. Hurry. Hurry. Here.
This is the sergeant. Which one? She's still in her room. I think, yeah.
Go on upstairs, sir. Go on upstairs.
I'm gonna stay here, my baby. I'll stay.
Okay. Get out, your child.
Yo, get them out here. Get their information.
Come on. We gotta do this. Go over here.
I wanna see my baby.
Okay, that's fine. Just stay right here for now.
This door down. Get to her.
Just stay out the door, the hallway for me. We gotta get out.
I just wanna see my
Get
baby.
back.
Like, give me information after. I just wanna see her. I just wanna be with her in case she doesn't. She's a girl. She's a girl.
What's her name?
Hannah Nicole Driver. And Michael. I just want to see you.
What's her birthday? Just step a little bit this way, please. Please, I need you to clear the hallway. We're having a mess coming.
Hey, that's quick. Get out. Come on, quick.
Stay out here. You got to.
I just want to see her. I just want to see her.
What's Hannah's birthday?
10/25. 10/25. 19.
What's the mother's name? Is that the mother?
Chloe Alexis Driver.
CHOLE?
Yes. Some typical Chloe spelling.
What's Chloe's birthday?
5/18/29.
2000. 5/19/20. Chloe's? Yes, 5/19/2000.
Get out of the way, watch.
Move. 5/18/19. 2000.
5/19 of 2000.
5/18/2000.
What's your name, sir?
My name?
Yes.
Just take my license. I can't do this while I'm watching my baby potentially dinosaurs.
You're gonna spend your life in this house. Sir, back up out the door now. Get out the door. Get out.
Let's go downstairs, please. Can I please get by?
Go. Get out the door. Get out the door. Get out the door. Get out the door. Back up. Back up. Over there. Over there. Over there. Get out. Come on. Come on.
Stay in here.
Come on, quick.
Just trying to hold it together for me, buddy.
We're gonna do everything in our ability to help y'all, okay?
Yeah.
It's okay, I understand. Just try to breathe, keep slowly breathing, okay?
Stopping the video at 8 minutes and 41 seconds.
All right, Ms. Crawford, I think this is a good time for a recess. We're gonna let you be in recess for 20 minutes until 10 after 2. Leave us your notepads, don't talk to anybody about the case. You can go downstairs if you'd like to, or step outside, and we will ask you to be back in the jury room